Samsung just confirmed something that changes everything about the Galaxy Z Fold 8. And if you were planning to spend over $1,000 on a foldable phone this year, you need to hear this before July 22nd. The S Pen is coming back. That single detail alone shifts the entire value conversation around this device. But that's not even the biggest story here. Samsung is reportedly bringing the Galaxy Z Fold 8 in at a price point that could make it the most compelling premium tech investment in the foldable category right now. We're talking about a product that could land somewhere between $1,799 and $1,999, and depending on what Samsung announces at Unpacked in London, that number might actually be justified. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether you should wait, upgrade, or walk away entirely. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event is scheduled for July 22nd in London, and the lineup is stacked. You've got the Galaxy Fold 8, the Galaxy Z Flip 8, and a brand new device called the Galaxy Z Wide Fold, a larger format foldable that signals Samsung is playing a much bigger game than most people realize. This isn't just a product refresh. This is a strategic expansion. Samsung is building an entire foldable ecosystem, and each device in this lineup targets a different type of user with a different budget and a different set of priorities. Let's start with the Galaxy Z Fold 8, because this is the device that matters most if you're a serious productivity-focused user or someone who wants the absolute best that Android has to offer right now. The first thing you need to understand about the Fold 8 is that Samsung made a deliberate choice this generation. They chose refinement over revolution. That might sound like a red flag, but hear me out. Because in the world of premium tech, refinement done right is often worth more than a flashy spec bump that doesn't translate to real-world usability. The Fold 7 was already a powerful device, but it had friction points. The crease was still noticeable. The body was still a bit thick for everyday carry. The charging speed felt dated compared to competitors. Samsung heard that feedback, and the Fold 8 appears to be a direct response to every single one of those criticisms. Let's talk design first. The Fold 8 is expected to feature a thinner overall form factor, which is massive for a device in this category. Foldable phones have always carried this stigma of being too bulky, too awkward, too much of a compromise. Samsung is clearly working to eliminate that narrative. A slimmer profile means it sits better in your pocket, feels more natural, in your hand when folded, and signals to the market that foldable technology is maturing. On top of that, the crease, that visible line down the center of the inner display that has been a point of criticism since the original Fold, is reportedly less visible on the Fold 8. That's not a small thing. The inner display is the centerpiece of this entire product. If Samsung has genuinely reduced crease visibility, that's a meaningful upgrade value for anyone who spends significant time working or consuming content on that large inner screen. Speaking of the inner display, it remains a large, immersive panel built for productivity and entertainment. This is where the Fold 8 genuinely separates itself from every other Android phone on the market. You're getting a tablet-class display that fits in your pocket. For multitasking, for reading, for watching content, for working with documents. Nothing else comes close at this form factor. And Samsung is reportedly improving the multitasking software experience to match the hardware, which has been a key ask from power users for years. If the software finally catches up to the hardware potential, the Fold 8 becomes a serious productivity machine. Now let's talk about the S Pen, because this is the feature that deserves its own moment. The S Pen was removed from the Fold lineup in a previous generation, and that decision frustrated a lot of loyal Samsung users. Note-taking, sketching, annotating documents. These are use cases that genuinely benefit from a stylus on a large inner display. Bringing the S Pen back is not just a feature addition, it's a statement. It tells the market that Samsung understands what its core users actually want. It also dramatically increases the upgrade value for anyone currently on a Fold 6 or older. If you've been waiting for the stylus to return before committing to the foldable ecosystem, your wait is almost over. On the performance side, the Fold 8 is expected to ship with the latest Snapdragon chipset, which means you're getting top-tier processing power, improved AI capabilities, and strong GPU performance for gaming and creative applications. Performance benchmarks for the next-gen Snapdragon platform have been impressive across the board, and paired with the large inner display and S Pen support, this positions the Fold 8 as one of the most capable mobile workstations you can buy. That framing matters, especially if you're evaluating this as a business or creative investment, rather than just a smartphone upgrade. Charging is also getting a long overdue upgrade. The Fold 8 is expected to support 45W wired charging, a meaningful step up from previous generations. In practical terms, this means faster top-ups between meetings, faster recovery when your battery dips during a heavy workday, and less time tethered to a cable. It's not the fastest charging speed in the Android market, but it's a respectable improvement that brings the Fold lineup into a more competitive position. Now let's get into the price analysis, because this is where the real decision lives for most buyers. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to start somewhere in the $1,699 to $1,999 range, depending on storage configuration. That is a serious investment. There's no way around that. But here's the context you need to evaluate that number properly. The foldable phone market is growing, and Samsung still owns the lion's share of it in the US. Competition is coming, Google's Pixel Fold lineup is improving, and other players are entering the space. But Samsung's ecosystem advantage, software longevity, and brand trust are real differentiators that justify a premium price point. When you break down the value proposition of the Fold 8, you're essentially getting two devices in one. You get a functional cover display that handles everyday tasks, and you get a tablet-class inner display for power use. If you're someone who currently carries both a phone and a tablet, or someone who's been eyeing productivity tools like the S Pen, the math starts to shift. Instead of spending $990 on a flagship phone and $599 on a mid-range tablet, you're consolidating into one $1,999 device that does both jobs, and does them well. For existing Fold users on the Fold 5 or earlier, the upgrade value here is strong. Thinner body, less visible crease, S Pen support, faster charging, improved multitasking. That's a meaningful collection of upgrades. If you're on the Fold 6 or Fold 7, the calculus is different. The improvements are real, but whether they justify $1,799 from a one-generation jump depends entirely on how much the S Pen and thinner design matter to your specific workflow. For first-time foldable buyers, the Fold 8 is arguably the best entry point into the category that Samsung has ever offered. The refinements address the biggest usability criticisms. The software is more mature than it's ever been. And the ecosystem, including Dex Mode, Samsung's productivity apps, and Android 15 is genuinely compelling for power users. Here's the verdict. Should you wait or buy now? If you're on a Fold 5 or older, buy the Fold 8. The upgrade value is clear, the S Pen return is significant, and the overall refinement brings the foldable experience much closer to what it was always supposed to be. If you're on a Fold 6 or 7, wait and watch the full unpacked reveal on July 22nd before making any decisions. The pricing and trade-in offers could change the equation significantly. And if you're coming from a traditional slab phone and you've been curious about foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is the most polished argument Samsung has ever made for why this form factor is worth the price. Samsung isn't trying to reinvent the wheel with the Fold 8. They're making the wheel significantly better. And in premium tech, that kind of disciplined refinement is exactly what separates a product that lasts from one that disappoints. July 22nd is going to be a big day. Make sure you're watching.